Good morning, or good afternoon, or good night, wherever you are in the world. Beautiful brave hearts. This is Lorraine from the Detox World Healing and Training Center, and I have Sibila with me. This is day 3 of the Pelvic Restoration and Disease Prevention Masterclass, and it is going amazingly. I am so thrilled with the progress that people are having. Sibila, have you noticed any changes?
I have. Look, for a while now, I have been dealing with a lot of pain in the pelvic area. I've had fibroids and cysts, and through Wolf Non-Surgical, it has helped my body to heal, and the pelvic restoration has just nurtured that whole feminine ovarian palace that needed for me to not ignore the pain, but to just, it drew my attention as to how I could heal, and I have noticed massive changes in caring for myself and being empowered as a woman to heal that area, and things from losing eczema because of the Perfect Day diet, incorporating the BraveHeart oath has really helped me, and it's been life-changing, and I've been recommending it to all my girlfriends back home. I've made some wonderful friends in this course and been mentored beautifully by Lorraine, but just the support and just the sisterhood that comes from doing this course, I'd recommend it to everyone.
Okay, we're going to keep this a little quick because the course is starting right away. The next course coming up is in Florida, Bonita Springs, Florida, October 28th, 29th, and 30th. If you're interested in participating, go to bhnuniversity.com and you'll be able to find more information on it and register. And then the next one is in Puerto Rico, and I believe it's the end of January, so it's not until 2024. So yeah, and it's listed up there, and I think we've got a few more that are coming. I'm just not 100% sure when they're booked for. So I love you guys. Take care. Have a beautiful day. Sleep well. Enjoy your afternoon. All that. I love you.